Hi guys, welcome to eTutor2. We conduct tutorials for engineering subjects and math problems for easy understanding. So, we will start geotechnical engineering in its first chapter, which is soil composition. And ang pinakauna nating tatalakayin is the definition and formulas na gagamitin natin for future problems. Okay, let's start. Weight-volume relationship. Maiintindihan natin to sa tulong ng illustration, which is this one. Isipin natin na ito ay isang cross-section ng soil composition which is divided into three portions. The top portion is the air, the middle portion is the water, and the bottom portion is the solid. And makikita natin on the right side is the volume and left side is the weight. Let's start with the left side first. In the top portion, which is the air, we will name it as W sub A. Makikita natin na ang W sub A ay 0 kasi walang weight ang hangin. The middle portion naman is tatawagin nating W sub W, which is the weight of water. And the bottom portion naman is tatawagin nating W sub S, which is the weight of solids. So, pag inad natin silang tatlo, ang magiging kalabasan niyan is the total weight of the section ng soil composition, which is tatawagin nating capitalized letter W. Pag inequate natin sila, ang magiging equation ay W is equals to W sub A plus W sub W plus W sub S. Then, move on tayo sa right side, which is the volume part. On to top portion, which is tatawagin nating V sub A, which is the volume of air. The middle portion is tatawagin nating V sub W, which is the volume of water. And the bottom part naman is tatawagin nating V sub S, which is the volume of solids. Now, makikita natin na mayroong V sub V na naka-indicate kapag sinama natin ang V sub A at V sub W. Kasi yan ang tinatawag na void ratio, which is ginagamit nating indicator dyan is small letter E. At malalaman natin ang definition nito sa susunod na slide. Getting back sa diagram natin, makikita natin sa bottom part ng diagram is the volume of solids, which is tinatawag nating V sub S. So katulad ng left side, equate ulit natin yung nasa right part. At ang total volume ng section na ito ay V is equals to 1 plus E. Kung nagtataka kayo saan nanggaling yung 1 sa equation, kasi inassume natin na 1 kN per cubic meter ang volume ng solid. Okay, moving on to volume relationship. Void ratio. It is the ratio of the volume of voids to the volume of solids. E is equals to V sub V all over V sub S. Next is porosity. It is the ratio of the volume of voids to the total volume. Yung total volume na sinasabi dito is kapag pinag-add mo lahat ng volume ng 3 portions nung section kanina sa diagram. And we have another formula na na-derived using the void ratio. So, E is equals to V sub V all over V sub S. So, maghahanap tayo kung saan natin makukuha yung V sub S, which is mula sa diagram. So, total volume is equals to V sub V plus V sub S. Now, itatranspose natin siya at magiging V sub S is equals to V minus V sub V. So, substituting that, now, iisipin natin kung ano ang pinakamadaling gawin para mas-simplify yung equation natin. At ang naiisip ko lang na pwedeng may masubstitute ay gagamitin natin yung original formula ng porosity, which is V sub V all over V. So, papaano natin mapapalabas yung V sub V all over V sa equation na meron tayo ngayon? We will multiply 1 all over V divided by 1 all over V. And then, makukuha natin yung gusto nating mapalabas, which is V sub V all over V. Substitute n in v sub v all over v and 1 for v sub v all over v. So E is equals to n divided by 1 minus n. And we want to have the formula in terms of n. So itatranspose natin uli and this will be the final formula derived using the void ratio. Next is the degree of saturation. It is the ratio of volume of water to volume of voids. S is equals to volume of water divided by volume of voids. Moving on to weight relationship. Moisture content omega. This is the lowercase of the omega symbol used for ohms. The ratio of weight of water to the weight of solids in a given value of soil. Omega is equals to weight of water divided by the weight of solid. Unit weight, gamma. The weight of soil per unit volume or sometimes called moist unit weight. Dapat ninyong tandaan na moist unit weight minsan sa problem si unit weight kasi madaming nagkakamali for not remembering this one. So, gamma is equals to total weight divided by the total volume. Dry unit weight, gamma. The weight per unit volume of soil excluding water, which is gamma dry is equals to weight of solid divided by the total volume. So guys, kapag dry unit weight, ibig sabihin oven dried siya. Walang-wala yung water doon, as in napigan na yung soil. And then the moist unit weight, gamma. Gamma is equals to total weight divided by total volume. So total weight from the diagram is weight of water plus weight of solids plus weight of air. But weight of air is considered 0, kaya W sub S plus W sub W na lang ang ilalagay natin. Divided by total volume. And then para magamit natin yung moisture content dito, ilalabas natin yung weight of solids by multiplying 1 all over W sub S and magiging ganito ang equation natin. Now, we know na ang moisture content, omega, is equals to weight of water divided by weight of solids. Substituting that, ang magiging equation natin is W sub S all over V times 1 plus moisture content. So, pwede pa itong mas-simplify kasi yung W sub S divided by V is equals to dry unit weight. Kaya this will be the simplest form of the equation. Gamma is equals to gamma dry times 1 plus moisture content. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials here in eTutor2PH. Signing out.